Hello, today we will see how to add a domain or subdomain under GHL account or sub account and how to add it as a website and make it active. First, we actually login of our GHL account first. This is our GHL account, what actually I log in here. This is first after login, we will come this option. We can create a new sub account here or here a lots of sub account. We can edit that on also. But as we have a test purpose account sub account, we will actually use that. This is our test account. We will edit a subdomain here. First, we have to go setting option. After come here, this pop-up will shows first. From here, we will goes from left side to this option, domain and URL redirects. It can be changed time to time as actually a GSL team develop their site. That's why it can be changed, but domain, this name will be must here. So we'll go first domain and URL redirect option. Here we actually have to go this from connected domain. When we actually goes here, we will get his a couple of option here. Funnel website storage blog webinar. This is one option. Another option as a email service WordPress client portal. We know actually GSL provide us lots of services. Which service we actually required, we will go that option. We actually use this as a website that we actually choose first option. So we goes here, connect. This is our main domain, but we got this domain already exist. So we can use as a subdomain. We give our main domain and before it, we actually added something another info.bangladesh.cc. We created a subdomain under bangladesh.cc main domain. We'll go con continue option. Then we will get two option here. One is continue by from here. Another one is add record manually. If we goes continue option, as we have Cloudflare means our domain repository access at the same browser, so it will goes automatically and added the DNS and it will automatically work. But we actually goes in manual option also. If we click manual option, that time it will say it will shows our DNS here. Why actually we goes this two option? Actually, most of the cases who actually have GSL access, he can't be access of domain registry. At that time we faces difficulties. That's why this manual option is remains here. As a result, if I haven't domain registry access that time, we can share this DNS with our admin or who actually have the domain access. They can edit it and then we can proceed from there. That's why this manual option is remains here. At the same time, we can go from back and continue. If we go continue, it would automatically edit in our this is our Bangladesh CC .cc. This domain here actually have now 10 DNS. When we actually goes continue or manually add, that time it will added on more DNS here. Another video we actually shows how to actually we can use continue and manual automated process and it will automated edit here. We actually saw it in our another video that's available on the channel. So we actually goes here to the edit the manual option. We actually first copy the host option and we see that record is CNAME. So we actually under bangladesh.cc, this main domain, we will goes add records. We goes first CNAME option. Then we will gives host our host name here, yeah, we actually use subdomain, but our main domain actually reflect at the rate. At the rate means the Bangladesh.cc, but we as actually use the subdomain, we will actually use only sub option, means main domains before option dot, before option of dot we will use here. Then we will goes here again and we will copy required value here and we will paste it in here. In this case, we actually disable the proxy status. This is not required here. Okay, now we actually save it. By this way, this CNAME record already added here. So we can go proceed next option from there. We can go verified now. It will take a couple of seconds. Here actually remains it can be takes it's added within very short time, but it's need to some time for propagation. It's sometime take immediately we will get it. Sometimes it can be take some time. Just a moment, we will wait. Yeah, this already added here. We actually what service we will use this subdomain as a we'll use at a funnel, website, a store, blog, webinar, whatever we actually use it. We actually use it as a website. So we will click here. If we goes here, already our website is created there. So we can easily run on a link from here. Here have lots of home page or other space. From there we can take any of its which page we actually select from here. It will shows the as a home page. And from there we can goes another all other space. There's the another option, but we will first need to add it on option. We actually added first option restaurant, this option, and secondly we can product list, that also we can remain here. Link domain with website, this option will remains here. Select default steps page for domain, that's we remains as default. Additional option here have some others option, we haven't need to go there now. We actually goes proceed to finish. It will just take a couple of seconds also here. Yeah, our domain is now available in here. If we copy here, Control C, we know that's Bangladesh.cc and this is info.bangladesh.cc. This is another domain or subdomain. If we goes here, yeah, what page we actually added there that are actually shows here. If we change from there, if we goes in manage option, from manage option and goes to edit option, and if we goes we actually select restaurant this option. If we goes another option, here have lots of restaurant option. We if we goes charity home, then here also if it's actually set default 00, if error page shows that time hot wheels shows, that we can also select from here. No need to fill up this option. Okay, just we actually change this option. What actually happened, we will see that. We'll just save. And this default phase actually our developer created before. We just use drop down option and just added here. It's very easy process, but behind it, our developer actually created this before. Okay, we actually change our default option. What actually come here now? We saw it's already changed. So when we actually change the template, that time home page will also changed. If we goes again here and go to the edit option and change another option, that will be the home page here. So this way actually we can very easily added a domain or subdomain on GHL and and make homepage what will be homepage that we can select from the drop down menu. And sometimes it can be generated by ourselves, but it's actually generated before, as though it's take less time. Yeah, this is the video here. This video we learn how actually we can edit a domain or subdomain under GHL account or sub account. This was the today's video's main theme. Thank you everyone for with us.